welcome back to Ms. T's Doll Room, and I'm here with Dallas today. And as you can see, Dallas lost her shiny face. And while the girls were here with our Diva doll weekend for Mel's birthday a couple of weeks ago, we kind of researched on the internet about how to take the glossy shine off of our Blythe dolls. So what we found out is there's a product called Mr. Super Clear. And so we went out and we purchased some of that, and this video is going to show my friend Dolly bestie, Mel Parker-Reeves. She's going to walk you through how we were able to disassemble the dolls and spray their faces and remove the shine from our Blythe dolls and give you a recap of all the Blythe dolls that we brought out to play with. So this is my Blythe doll, Dallas, and as you can see, she lost her shiny face, and this is the doll that we used to make the video clips.
Have all three of the screws popped out. The first thing we're going to do is try to lift the hair cap away from the face plates. And to do that, we're going to need a flat screwdriver. And you'll just go in here and get under that, and if I can get under it. See it in there. There we go. And you'll see that it pops up. The next step, Carol, if you'll assist me. The easiest way to do it is squeeze at the ears, take your flathead screwdriver and get in there and pop from each side. And you're going to lose the body, which is what you want to do. The next step is so that you don't mess up the spring mechanism on the eye. You want to leave it halfway connected. And there's another screw that holds the back half of the hair plate in that you want to get in and unscrew. And it should, there we go, let's see if we can get it to slide out. There we go, slide out. So you're going to take your hair cap and you're going to set that aside for right now. Again, you don't want to put too much distress on your springs, because if you do, the eye mechanisms will not function correctly. So what I do is just kind of leave them with the eyes in a shut status. And then what I'm going to do is spray it with the Mr. Clear. And I'll spray the back. I'll probably give this 2 to 3 coats. I'm going to make sure that the eyes stay closed so I don't get the eye chips done. And then I'm just going to hit it with a fine coat and hit the back side. We're going to let this coat dry, and then as soon as it dries, I'm going to hit it with another coat to make sure that I get underneath the chin, around the edges, so that the shine finish is actually gone. And then you'll see we'll be able to open up the eyes again. So give us a few moments and we'll come back with a couple of more coats and then be able to, once she's dry, to reassemble her. Groove down at the very bottom, along with the screw knot slots that have to line up for the body to stay connected to the head. We have to get those lined up first. The next step we're going to do is, even though it's going to be a little odd because I'm going to have to pop it just a smidge, I'm going to slide the front part of the head cap back on under the holding screw, and I need a Phillips screwdriver, please. Thank you.
Also from the Dollar Tree.
And I'm going to reattach and tighten down the front part of the head cap so that her hair will stay on. And then I'm going to slide the head cap piece into the dial and reattach her.
And all the grooves should be, as you can see, on the ear side and the ear side and the back. It should be fitting.
And then we're going to use the screws and tighten her back up so that her seams go. Stormy in the white hair, and Bryce with her lovely red hair. Maddie in her purple and jeans, and Merida with her cute overalls. We've got Moss with the pink hair, and Paige in orange. Nikki Starr living it up in all her neon colors, next to her sister Indy, who sports her blue and white love. We've got Coraline, and last but not least, our project girl of the day, Miss Dallas, daughter of Miss T. So everybody, we'd like to thank you again for coming out for another edition of Ms. T's Doll Room, where we get to do a little crafting with our Blythes. And we wanted to share with you all of our girls from our Diva Doll birthday weekend. And you can see their beautiful matte finishes. Thank you again for joining us, and we'll see you again. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment below.